And you like being mad disrespectful. I'm telling you that the chicken tastes different.
Right.
It's like
eat chicken yourself. I'm out. I don't want to eat the chicken yourself.
Hey, the greedy family. Welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey, the greedy family. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have
RFC. You know what that mean? Richie fried chicken in the building.
It's in the building.
Yes, it's in the building again.
I can't wait to eat. I am hungry. Man. You hungry, honey?
Hungry is not the word. Yo.
Guess what?
Guess what?
What?
You tell me. You say guess what?
Go check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like First Lady outfit of the day because y'all miss me saying that, but we're back. It's great at First Lady.
We are going to dig in. As Richie said, he made his famous fried chicken, and we have a little bit of fries there, and we're ready to dig in.
I have fries for me because you say you don't want none.
I don't want none, but I'm gonna yum some. And I have some honey, and then I have my little hot sauce, and I have a little bit of 2-time spicy left. It's a little bit in here. I might try it because I gotta go to work tomorrow. I can't be,
you know,
in people in the bathroom.
Yeah, a post letter.
Yeah, man.
You see me? And if you want to know how the RFC is made, First Lady gonna put it up there or there or there.
Yep.
First Lady, I can eat.
Yeah, man, you can yum.
And you know,
your remote.
Gotta have my Chick-fil-A mayonnaise. Our daughter put us on this mayonnaise and French fries crap.
Oh yeah.
So now I'm gonna have the Chick-fil-A.
Oh yeah.
Cause First Lady said she don't want the fries. First Lady, you know how bad I wanted to taste the chicken when I fried.
So you didn't taste it, honey?
She just think I make your daughter be the escape boat, man. She alone taste it.
Let's see.
She said, why didn't you give me a big piece? Why you give me a piece of that? I said, oh my God, just like your mother. Yum. All right, family. Feeling myself today. And I got some homemade lemonade. First Lady, you want to try it? How it taste, First Lady? Here we
Honey.
go.
No. Quick. Did you do something different?
Can it taste better?
It don't taste right.
Alright, so don't have me have it. Grace and Deck. I'll eat it. You don't have to worry. Just sit down and watch me.
Alright. I don't know. I mean because I'm hungry, but
and the Sweet Baby Ray. It's alright.
do something different to it?
Yeah, put something different. Yeah. Put something different, man.
No, I'm serious.
Yeah, because I never want to eat none. Alright. Yeah. So don't eat it. So I'm
hungry. Look,
okay.
What else I'm gonna eat?
Just eat the French fries.
I might just eat some fries.
Yeah, please do.
No, seriously, it tastes good. It just doesn't taste the way how you usually make
well,
it.
that's your problem, not First Lady.
Hey, why are you being so mean?
I come enjoy my food. Alright. Go on, young. First bite, you know what? I give it to y'all. Check that. Put your hand in, First Lady. See, First Lady said the chicken tastes bad. You see the smoke? The steam?
I didn't say it tastes bad. I said it tastes different. So why are you being so mean?
Eat your food.
No. Really. I'm being serious. I'm cut it. I'm gonna cut it. For real, it tastes different. Did you do something different?
I ain't doing anything to it. We're fried. Oh, we make fried chicken. They're fried.
Yeah, but I'm talking to you. It's like you fucker, yeah. I'm talking to you, and it's like you're just ignoring me. I'm telling you that it tastes different.
Okay, it tastes different. Okay, so don't eat it.
Oh, what is that?
If you know how you don't eat them, I'm mean with you.
Hey. Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I'm hungry. I don't want to hear none of your foolishness in my ear today. You want to take up everything and turn that garbage, and nobody eat none. Okay.
You hurt my feelings.
Good. You should have go fry your chicken yourself.
I'm just saying it tastes different.
Okay, good. Don't hear me. Right, First Lady? I said First Lady. Right, family? If it don't taste good,
we're not talking to them because all this is not gonna be on record. I'm telling you, it doesn't taste. It doesn't taste the same.
All right, good. It don't taste good. All right, I don't want to hear it. Don't eat it. Then. You want me to get your bag of chips?
Yeah, I eat them too. I'm telling you, everything's different.
I will get your bag of chips.
Sit down.
Okay. That's first day telling already.
All right.
If you want a bag of chips, I go get your bag of chips.
I want a bag of chips, but I think it tastes hard. But I just said, can you help me, please? And you pissed off.
I ain't pissed off. I'm enjoying my food as always. I enjoy my food. There we go. First day don't want to enjoy it, I enjoy it for her.
Damn, I don't know. Put more hot sauce on it.
Put some more.
It's like you didn't season it like you normally do. Were you afraid to season it today? Huh?
No, see, man, just put the flour and just fry it. No seasoning. If y'all want to see the video, y'all can go watch it.
You feel like shot.
Don't eat my fries. You say the food don't taste good. Why eat my fries for?
Cause that's the only thing that tastes good. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat it.
I don't know when
Get
you're
Chick-fil-A sauce.
I don't know when you're
Chick-fil-A sauce, baby.
Oh, I ain't bringing Chick-fil-A sauce.
Right there, my love.
Oh, the one that's done?
There's two of them, honey.
Hold on.
That's how hungry you are, you can't focus?
Let me enjoy my chicken you don't like. Tell the empty one.
I don't like this kind of talking. I don't know why you acting like that.
So family,
I should say, you know me, Richie?
how was your day?
Alright.
How your day? Good? Mine is going excellent. I did some RFC. From first day, you didn't like it.
I say it tastes different. Stop put words in my mouth. That's not nice.
Oh, you put my fried chicken. Let's see, I'm gonna make it.
Oh, it was different today.
Okay.
I'm coming back saying, you don't want me to speak my mind.
Speak your mind. Tell your mood.
Yeah, but you're dismissing me. Place say it tastes different. That's what I'm saying. When I say it tastes nasty, I say it tastes different.
Okay, I said to you, if it tastes different, don't eat it.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
What you want me to do? You think I'm gonna starve myself?
We have some leftover macaroni and cheese, you can't get it.
But I want that. I want napkin. I want family. Don't get me wrong. It tastes good. It's not seasoned how it was before.
Okay. If the chicken wasn't good, first day will never eat it. So you can't go on what y'all do.
No, I have no choice. I'm hungry.
Okay. I say if you want a bag of chips, I will get you a bag of chips.
Do you look at that yum chips?
Okay, so you're fine.
I'm telling you, let me start act up in the damn video.
Yeah, y'all good? Oh, back to y'all now.
Richie very sensitive about his food. That's why he acting like that.
Sensitive. You know, I have no problem going in my belly good.
He's very sensitive. Very, very sensitive.
RFC. RFC.
Very sensitive. That's why he acting like that.
First day they can't go and do what she want to do.
I can.
I'm enjoying it.
That's good.
So I mean, you don't want the drumstick and neither, because you say everything's very good. I'll eat them for you.
It come and say you ears odd. But say, I'm not saying chicken tastes hard, but I say it tastes different. It come and say you're deaf.
Sometimes, yeah.
That's what I said. I said it tastes different. I didn't say it tastes nasty. I said it tastes different.
I didn't put no seasoning on it.
That's what I'm saying.
I just fried just like that.
But you put season, but I don't think you put the right amount like you always do.
I didn't put no seasoning on it. I put no seasoning on it, girl. When you look at Popeye, so Popeye and chicken that tastes good too. Right, family?
Listen,
What's up?
the way you acting, you better watch yourself.
Fire me. You gonna fire me?
But Popeye chicken.
Fire me.
I know you're only lashing out.
Fire me, family. Tell her fire me.
I know you're only lashing out because you don't like when people talk about your food. That's it.
Hey, you can never tell me my food don't taste bad.
I didn't say it tastes bad. You deaf? I said it tastes different. You're not listening.
That's good.
You hear what you want to hear.
That's good to know. Family say the same to me.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wow.
Well, guys, I have a story time for you today.
Tell me a story and shut them out. Tell me a story. If you're gonna chicken taste different again, I'm gonna get up and get your chips for real this time. I'll get you something else to eat.
No, all jokes aside now, I'm talking to you and you like being mad disrespectful. I'm telling you that the chicken tastes different.
All right.
It's like
Eat chicken yourself. I'm out. I don't want to eat the chicken yourself.
I'm telling you the chicken tastes different and you're getting pissed off.
Alright, bye. You go eat the chicken yourself.
It's ridiculous. Honey, it was a prank, okay? Stop, Sasha. No, that's the thing you're about to stop. Get out, Sasha. Out. Out. It was a prank, honey. My gosh. You're sensitive, but about your food.
Yo, you're fucking my appetite, yo.
I said y'all move.
Yo, some boxers. She messed up my appetite, yo. Don't play my fucking thing, man.
Guys, we're back. Oh my gosh. My husband was pissed off. I told you he don't like nobody talking about his food. But this chicken was good as I don't know what. Honey.
Yo, don't let that shit to me, yo. I don't like that shit. After you haven't seen that in the damn kitchen slaving, making the damn fried chicken. You know how long I'm in the kitchen
cooking. He was
cooking and making the make sure everything comes to perfection. And you want to talk about chicken thing, and I said then she don't want to eat it.
This chicken.
You're longer damn it. You're alone the video.
This chicken.
Family. Listen.
It's so good. Okay?
One thing with me. When I'm cooking, I make sure I cook my thing right. You know what I'm saying? I was in the kitchen for, you know how long frying this chicken to make sure it come out to perfection? And she gonna tell me some foolishness in my ears? Yeah, alone, I gonna have the chicken.
I'm sorry, my love.
No, man, don't play with me like
that.
Words when it comes to food, don't play with me.
I know. I'm sorry.
Don't play with me, yo.
They made me do it. Honey.
Yo.
You didn't see the first bite? The first bite, I was like, oh, I couldn't even hold it.
Some stuff I want to tell you, know?
We gonna tell me.
About your cooking, you know? Yo, family. I was about to tell her her cooking don't taste good neither. Yeah, I was gonna tell her everything.
But you're gonna lie.
Yeah. Well, you all shut off your mouth and I like to. Right. I was about to go in on first day. Yes.
You should have gone in.
Yes, real talk. Yeah, I was about to go in.
Yeah, trust me. If the camera wasn't on, Richie just said, you know what? I ain't cooking nothing for you never again.
Just like that. I said, I'll never cook for you a day in your life. Look, man. Look at the chicken. Put your hand there first day, man. See.
Chicken, good man. Bad chicken.
Bad chicken, man. You said about chicken that tastes good, tastes different.
It tastes really good. I'm not gonna lie.
Family, I don't like that. I don't like stuff like that. You
really,
start back
really
with that
good.
foolish again? Don't worry, man.
They made me do it. They said they haven't seen a prank in a while.
First lady, you look, you know? Cause you alone never seen her eat, you know? You be feeling like it, you know?
I would have ate that chicken. Honey. The first bite took me out. I was like, oh my gosh, can I really do this?
Yo, I was like, what?
You didn't hear me?
I was like, what are you talking about? I said, yo, I took my time and fried this chicken because I know
you did. I know you're
for all our new family members, you know what I'm saying? I gotta bring the RFC to the page right. You know what I'm saying? I was like, this girl trying to flap me on TV about my chicken don't taste good.
Listen, I know when you're pissed off. You're trying to piss off. You're trying to pretend. I'm getting him. I
don't like that, son. I'm about to tell you about your food and all kind of food you cook yesterday and it tastes bad.
So my food tastes bad now.
Yeah, man, your food tastes
Well,
bad.
whatever. It's too light. But every bite that I was taking, if you guys pay attention, I was like, I could not say. It was like, ooh. You can,
Yo, I thought you was dead ass serious, no?
manure.
Because the shit you were saying. I said, this girl really,
Because-
really let me go bring the RFC to the page and then I go tell my chicken tastes
If I had
nasty.
said that it tastes nasty, he would know that I was lying. Because he know. No. But when I said it tastes different, it doesn't taste the same. It doesn't taste that good. That's when he was like,
I don't like that shit. Okay. I took my time, family. I made sure I took my time. Yeah.
Whew.
Don't do that, son. Real talk.
Chicken is really good, honey.
I know that shit is good. It's delicious.
Delicious.
RC. Better than Popeyes.
And I like my legs.
Yeah, I'm not a drumstick. For the new people, new family member, I'm not a drumstick, but I eat it. So first lady, I eat up all the legs already, you know?
You have wings, them. Bring them.
Chicken nice, man.
Chick-fil-A sauce tastes so good.
Don't do that again, please. I'm dead ass. You alone gonna be back here, no? Real, son. So your daughter know about this?
Yep. At one point, I bit my lip so hard. And I was gonna say I bit my lip, but I knew if I said that, he would be like, "You see what you get? You too lied, but the chicken don't taste good."
Okay, daughter. Tell me she's hungry too, no? And I made the food right now. She's gonna tell me you're playing this. I don't like that shit. But family, you tell me, look how good this chicken look. And you gonna tell me it don't taste good?
That's good. It wasn't even planned because I was like, you know what? Look at that crispiness. At the last minute is when I said I'm gonna prank him and say it's not good.
Don't do that shit when I'm eating my food, yo.
So I'm supposed to do it. We had this conversation already.
I do whatever you want to do, but when I'm trying to enjoy my food, you know, I like that shit.
All right, family. I think this one is finally done. All right.
I got your shirt too, cause you talking about, oh, well, I put anything. I ain't even trying to eat my food, you still talking up your mouth. You know what I'm saying?
What are you saying?
I'll never cook again.
I don't know.
I would never cook again for a family, seriously.
The food is good. As I said, guys, this prank really wasn't planned, but the best pranks is when they're not planned, when you just do it. I don't know how Richie feel about his food, especially when he cook it. 'Cause when Richie cook, Richie is passionate about the food.
Yeah.
And make sure it tastes good, it looks good. So, presentation.
Yeah. And then when you come tell me that shit, do me off my game.
A beer bad word, you cuss.
You're lucky me to tell you something on camera. Yeah?
So why you never said nothing?
Cause listen, you already pissed me off. I said, yo, listen, this girl better not piss me off a day, you know?
Yo, when you jumped up, that shiggity scared me. I was like, oh my god.
I tell me, I gotta take the chicken, you know?
I
I gotta do everything in the garbage, huh?
You're mad.
Yeah.
That's my good chicken.
Tell my food don't taste good. Family. First lady tried me again. I was mad. You know what I'm saying? But I know first lady love my food.
Love it. Absolutely love it.
First lady knows I'm a big chef. But we reach a time right now. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam. That's Shanice, Richie, aka First Lady. Pastor Rich. Now you think I forgot about it?
I'm about to say you did forget.
Prank you.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. I will never forget about the Pastor Rich session. It's okay. Time for me now. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. That's right, Miss Gina. You listening to me? All right, Miss Gina. Hear it again. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Word of wisdom by Pastor Richie.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another Mukprank.
Okay.
Bye.
Yo.